experienced that hernias at times could recur. Recur means you can get back an hernia even after getting surgery done for it. Why is it so? What causes it and what you can do to avoid it? Hernias normally recur because of many reasons. This could be some reasons during surgery. If a mesh is not placed is one important reason why hernias recur. Then if the mesh is used but not of an appropriate size, a good sized mesh, appropriate mesh overlapping on all sides is very ideal and very important for the hernias not to recur. Meshes need to be fixed. If the mesh is not fixed and left, the mesh can migrate. The fourth thing is, when a hernia repair is done, you must make sure that we avoid anything which raises the abdominal pressure. For example, cough. For example, straining or putting pressure while passing motion, or lifting heavy weights, or bending down to pick up something. These are the things which should be avoided after a hernia repair. The fifth thing is, if you put on weight after the hernia repair, the mesh cannot stretch as much as our skin stretches. If we are 50 kgs today and if we become 100 kgs in the next 2 to 3 years, our skin will stretch, it will not tear. But the mesh will definitely give way from one point or the other where we have fixed it. We fix the mesh with stitches or with tackers. So if we continuously keep gaining weight year by year, it will give way from somewhere and definitely there will be a recurrence of the hernia. Another very important point why hernias recur are because of a missed hernia. Now this is very common in ventral hernias, like the hernias around your navel, that is around your umbilicus, or it could be an incisional hernia around a previous surgery where you have had. If you try to do this hernia by the open method, you may not be able to see some hernias a little further away, far away from the defect which you have seen where you have taken the cut. But if you go in laparoscopically, you may notice that there are multiple defects. These are called Swiss cheese defects. Once you enter laparoscopically, you may see 3 to 4 defects, like a Swiss cheese. So definitely laparoscopy is a better tool